How to change interest on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, head over to your settings, then go to apps. After that, go to TikTok. Then on its storage section, tap on clear cache and clear data. Remember, doing this will clear your data and log out of your account in TikTok. So make sure you have downloaded all the necessary videos or photos you need. After that, go to TikTok and log in again, and it will show you the option of choosing your interest. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.